Good day, everyone. Today, our group will be discussing the different types of information systems that are commonly found in organizations. I will be discussing the first part, which is the integrated enterprise systems. What is an integrated enterprise? Let us first look into the definition of integrated enterprise. An integrated enterprise is an organization that considers all aspects of its business together as connected entities. Different aspects of a business can include strategy, operations, and management. Strategy refers to the planning for achieving organizational goals. Also, an integrated enterprise is a network of the company and its different layers of suppliers. In order to create a commodity, many resources should be used and many roles are required. Different entities are connected to form an integrated enterprise. Those entities include suppliers, retailers, manufacturers, warehouses, and markets. So what is an integrated enterprise system? Integrated enterprise system or enterprise system integration connects existing systems to share and communicate information. Integrating applications enables data to flow between systems with ease, simplifying IT processes and increasing agility across businesses. Types of integrated enterprise system. Most large companies use at least several kinds of software and data systems that can benefit from enterprise system integration, including customer relationship management or CRM, supply chain management SCM, business intelligence and analytics, human resources data or human resources information system, internal marketing communications, accounting software, and enterprise resource planning or ERP. The first type of integrated enterprise system is customer relationship management or CRM. Customer relationship management systems were developed to address the need to raise a sales department's productivity and provide an effective way to increase sales. With CRM functions such as sales opportunity management, a company learns more about its customers' needs and buying behavior and combines this information with market information to enhance the quality of the company's marketing plans and sales forecasts. Next is supply chain management or SCM. A supply chain is the collection of people, tasks, equipment, data, and other resources required to produce and move products from a vendor to a customer. Supply chain management refers to the management of supply chain activities in an effective and efficient way to provide a company with a strategic advantage. These activities may include product development, material sourcing, production and logistics, as well as the information systems that coordinate these activities. Information flows allows supply chain partners to coordinate their strategic and operational plans as well as the day-to-day flow of goods and materials through the supply chain. The physical flows include the manufacture, transport, and storage of goods or materials. Next is business intelligence and analytics. Business intelligence and analytics is the process of collecting, storing, and analyzing data from business operations. Business intelligence provides comprehensive business metrics in near real time to support better decision making. With better business intelligence, creating performance benchmarks, spotting market trends, increasing compliance, and improving almost every aspect of businesses is possible. Next is Human Resources Information System. The Human Resources Information System, or HRIS, is a system that is used to collect and store data on an organization's employees. In most cases, this system encompasses the basic functionalities needed for end-to-end human resources management, or HRM. It is a system for recruitment, performance management, learning and development, and more. Next is internal marketing communications. Internal marketing communication is an important tool for small businesses. Employees and business partners interact with customers and prospects, so it is important that they communicate the same marketing product messages that are built into external and promotional campaigns. By keeping employees and business partners aware of marketing goals and programs through internal communication, it is ensured that they play their part in increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Next is accounting software. Accounting software is a computer program that assists bookkeepers and accountants in recording and reporting a firm's financial transactions. The functionality of accounting software differs from product to product. Larger firms may choose to implement a customized solution that integrates a vast amount of data from many different departments. Small firms often choose an off-the-shelf product. Accounting software also allows for storing of numerous amounts of data without having to take up physical space. This results in companies needing less office space because they no longer need large file rooms to store binders of data. Less office space allows for cost savings. The last one is Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP. The Enterprise Resource Planning system integrates software applications such as purchasing, finance, human resources, and inventory management. Within an ERP system, the integrated software modules such as sales, quality management, and accounts receivable communicate and share data. Each of these modules consists of multiple applications that execute end-to-end business processes. What are some benefits and challenges of enterprise systems? Here are the benefits: better productivity and flexibility. The main benefit of an enterprise system is that it makes the jobs of managers and employees easier. These systems automate repetitive business processes for more productivity. These systems might send sales emails, process employee pay, or even place automated inventory orders. At the same time, these systems help organize key information in a place for easy access regardless of location. Employees can all have access to the data necessary to do their jobs even if they work from home or do field work. Next is easier business planning. Another benefit of enterprising systems is that they make it easier to make business plans and track a company's goals. Production can be checked and monitored, as well as business expenses and customer satisfaction results. These systems also have alert capabilities that will inform when potential problems occur, such as a spike in product defects or a low inventory. And the last benefit is improved record keeping and compliance. Using enterprise systems can also benefit your company when it comes to record keeping and compliance. Because of built-in security systems, the data collected in enterprise systems is less at risk for loss or theft. At the same time, that data is of use when proof of business performance is needed for some regulatory body. Let's proceed to the following, which are the challenges of integrated enterprise systems. Cost challenges of enterprise systems. One of the challenges of enterprise systems for small businesses is the cost of investment, which will ultimately depend on the number of users, level of customization, license type, which is perpetual or subscription, and desired application modules. Depending on the system chosen, paying yearly subscription fees and maintenance costs that go beyond the initial license fee may be required, and as well as buying new hardware. Next is additional work for implementation. Another challenge is the additional work to do to get the system ready for optimal use in the company. The organization would likely need to customize the modules for what they need to do in their business, train their employees on how to use the systems, and possibly migrate data from an existing system. At the same time, they'll have to convince their employees and managers to actually want to use the system. Next is data loss and downtime risk. While enterprise systems come with security and accessibility benefits, there is a downside to relying on a single system for businesses' most important processes. If someone from inside or outside the company hacks the system, there's a risk that person getting confidential data. Also, if something in the system fails, the company may experience downtime that leaves workers unable to do their jobs and customers without their needs met. And that's all for integrated enterprise systems.
Hello everyone, I'm David Joshua BALILI and I'm discuss intro about design and manufacturing system. Manufacturers face more computation and faster development cycles than ever before. Alongside this, consumers are becoming ever more discerning and global competition continues to rise. Design and engineering teams are intrinsically bureaucratically spread and elements of design and engineering process are often outsourced. How is design and manufacturing related? Product companies tend to compartmentalize their department, and two most basic departments in any such company are those focused on design and manufacturing. All production begins with design engineering, where assemblies and component workpiece are conceived. Design data then are provided to manufacturing, where component workpiece are manufactured and product are assembled. Design system. What is design system? A design system is the single source of truth which group all the elements that will allow the teams to design, realize, and develop a product. A design system is not deliverable, but a set of deliverables it will involve constantly with the product. The tools and the new technologies. The fundamental purpose of a design system is to facilitate the work of the teams. Is to compose of tangible and executable elements. Tools for designer and developers, patterns, component, and guidelines. Abstract elements. Broad values, shared ways of working, mindset, shared belief. Types of design system. Let's proceed to types of design system. A strict system will comprehensive and detailed documentation and will fully secure side between design and development. There will be strict process for introduce a new pattern in the system. A strict system should be approved in order to cover the majority of case of teams in may encounter. A low system will leave more space for experimentation. The system is here to provide a framework for the teams while preserving some freedom. Designers and developers are free to use it or not, regarding their particular needs for their product. A modular system is made of interchangeable and reusable parts. Its use will be projects that have to scale quickly and that have to adapt the multiple user needs. The negative part is that often more expensive to realize. This kind of system will particularly fit large scale product such as e-commerce, finance, and government website. And integrated system, a focus on in unique context, is also composed of parts, but these parts will not in interchangeable. This kind of systems use products that have very few repeating parts and that need a strong and often changing art direction. Manufacturing system. The manufacturing system should be designed to create value the core business processes such as a product development, marketing, sales, and services. In designing and development manufacturing system, Many expect to need concerned the manufacturing objective are specified to achieve certain operation requirements around quality, capacity, cost, etc. They are also specified with the intention to ensure efficient processes related to manufacturing, such as maintenance, logistics, na- logistic, not to mention the main process of manufacturing, the actual art. Types of manufacturing system. Let's proceed the manufacturing system. Custom manufacturing system describe the production of bespoke product made to order, usually by skilled craftsperson. It a relative rarity in modern society. Usually, the shape for high-end variant of common product. Tolerate, shoes, handmade, furniture, and wedding cakes are all examples. Intermittent manufacturing system can also be for a batch production limited runs of similar product, usually to fill specific order. Clothing is a large scale example which is often produced intermittently responding to demand for particular design. Continuous manufacturing system. Otherwise known simply a mass manufacture continuous manufacturing is what lay people to think as a manufacturing. Production lines are said to produce the same product often 24 hours a day, constantly with the expectation that demand will meet supply. Flexible manufacturing system. Flexible manufacturing the same batch quantities as intermittent manufacturing but with least relies in skilled labor, stands, high level of robotics and automatic enable machine to reply and recalibrate between different product and lines. Due to the speed of changeover, flexible manufacturing is sometimes referred to angle manufacturing. The system requires high levels of intercapital investment and expensive planning but can offer more durable cost per unit, with even greater facility than intermittent manufacturing once the plant is run. Mass customization. Delivery individual customized product on a mass scale and production lines may be designed to accommodate simple customization. As customers scarcely expect personalization and technology become more capable, mass customization is replied becoming the preferred method of product is many sectors. Why is design manufacturing important? The reason why design and manufacturing is important is less about covering its various benefits than it is understanding what can go wrong when an inventor builds design with manufacturing in mind. They can run into many problems and risks. In efficient processes, the process of the product is as important as the itself. However, if the process is not considered during design stages can be difficult to build start decision. Creator must remember that is unlikely workers on factory floor are going to have a deep understanding of or resolve issues in the design processes. Fatal design flaws. In some cases, a fatal product design flaws was become obvious until the creator to manufacture lot of then and single. A single product made skillfully by expert by always giving high overall quality than product created by someone who make hundreds of same design flowering their process. It's carrying cost. The cost of creating a single unit that will drive the cost of manufacturing later. When a creator does not take that manufacturing cost into account, they may build product too far expensive to sell customers with little research to resolve the issues. With complex and expensive to create tooling, the creator will have managed their expectation more large a product than can manage. How does design and manufacturing system contribute to society? Design and manufacturing system open up valuable opportunity for businesses. Their importance is often underestimated, but good design can bring some significant business benefit. The research and prototype state of design process can generate new product ideas and allow discover customer needs and preference. Thank you. And again, my name is David Joshua Balili.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are now in the discussion about artificial intelligence system. Artificial intelligence systems, a system in which a computer performs actions that are characteristics of human intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the ability of machine to understand and achieve specific goals. Artificial intelligence includes machine learning via deep learning. The former refers to machines automatically learning from existing data without being assisted by human beings. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. It is also a field of study which tries to make computers smart. The history of artificial intelligence. In the 1940s and 50s, a handful of scientists from a variety of fields mathematics, psychology, engineering, economics, and political science began to discuss the possibility of creating an artificial brain. The field of artificial intelligence research was founded as an academic discipline in 1956. AI was a term first coined at Dartmouth College in 1956. Cognitive scientist Marvin Minsky was optimistic about the technology's future. The 1974 to 1980 saw government funding in the field drop, a period known as AI winter, when several criticized progress in the field. How are we using artificial intelligence in today's world? In the modern world, we are surrounded by AI, from assistants such as Amazon's Alexa to the internet predicting what we may like to buy next. AI is found everywhere. Self-driving cars are also an example of the application of AI. There are four types of artificial intelligence: the reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self awareness. Applications of artificial intelligence system. Artificial intelligence systems are poised to fill a growing number of roles in today's societies, including factory automation, field and service robotics, assistive robotics, military applications, medical care, education, entertainment, visual inspection, character recognition, human identification using various biometric modalities. Example: face, fingerprints, iris, hand, and visual surveillance, intelligence transportation. The following are the primary advantages of AI. AI drives down the time taken to perform a task. It enables multitasking and eases the workload for existing resources. AI enables the execution of hitherto complex tasks without significant cost outlays. AI operates 24 by 7 without interruption or breaks and has no downtime. AI has mass market potential. It can be deployed across industries. AI facilitates decision making by making the process faster and smarter. Included to its disadvantages are the following: high cost of implementation. Setting up AI-based machines, computers, etc. entails huge cost given the complexity of engineering that goes into building one. Further, the astronomical expense doesn't stop there, as repair and maintenance also run into thousands of dollars. Second, can't replace humans. It is beyond any doubt that machines perform much more efficiently as compared to a human being, but even then, it is practically impossible to replace human with AIs. At least in the near future, because you can't build human intelligence in a machine as it is a gift of nature, so no matter how smart a machine can become, it can never replace a human. Third, doesn't improve with experience. One of the most amazing characteristics of human cognitive power is its ability to develop with age and experience. However, the same can't be said about AI as they are machines that can't improve with experience. Rather, it starts to wear the tear with time. The last one is the risk of unemployment. With rapid development being made in the field of AI, the question that bugs our intuitive brain is that will AI replace humans? Honestly, I am not sure whether AI will lead to higher unemployment or not, but AI are likely to take over the majority of the repetitive tasks, which are largely binary in nature and involve minimum subjectivity.
And that is all for our presentation. We are the researchers. I am Dayan Andrilu E. Bonaventura.
I am David Joshua Balili.
I am Chesame Bernadette.
With the help of our advisor, Sir Danver Palmiano.